Happy holidays. I'm Dr. Zapalac here at Babcock Hills, ready to talk to you guys about how to help your dog get through the upcoming New Year's Eve firework extravaganza. Many dogs are very anxious this time of year, and there are ways you can help them get through it safely. You do need to think ahead. The best thing to do is have a friend or a family member stay home with your pet if you are unable to that night. And remember that fireworks can start as early as 5 o'clock because it gets dark very early and go on into the night. So there are several hours that evening that you need to plan ahead for. There are different things you can do at home, like creating a safe place, either a closet or a crate where your pet feels safe to allow them to spend some time. You definitely want to bring them in from outdoors for two reasons. Number one, of course, it decreases the sound that the fireworks make to them. And then also, there are many dogs that get out on New Year's Eve because they become frantic and get out on the streets and run away. And that is also a good reason to make sure your pets are microchipped this time of year in case they do happen to get out, that you can recover them. There are some specific tactics that you can implement to help them get through the evening. You should reduce the sound if at all possible. So turning on radio or TV to mask the sound of the fireworks is very helpful. And they even make dog earmuffs that you can purchase, or take some cotton balls and put them in each ear firmly. I would only probably do this if you're at home, so you can kind of monitor that and don't forget to take them out, but it does reduce the sound. You can reduce the light that the fireworks make in case you're very close to, say, Fiesta, Texas or SeaWorld or somewhere like that. By covering windows, if your blinds don't cover the windows very well, you can always hang a blanket, like a fleece blanket is a good material to block light. And there are things like, we have here Composure, which is made by VetraScience. It's an herbal calming agent that's very safe, and some people feel like it helps a lot. Adaptil is a pheromone. It comes in a collar, which is here. They also make a spray that's good for these situations. Obviously they can wear the collar and this lasts all month, but if you want something just for the night, you can use the spray, and you spray a towel about 8 or 10 times and give it a few minutes before you put it in the kennel with them, and it lasts about 4 to 5 hours, so it can help calm them down. Other things you can do, thunder shirts or anxiety wraps, you can get those at PetSmart, Petco, or online. And some dogs need so much as sedatives and anxiety medications. At times, you can talk with your veterinarian about the best protocol for your dog's specific situation. I think anytime you're talking about all these different tactics to help them cope, more than one tactic is helpful than any single thing alone. So even if a thunder shirt in the past hasn't worked well for your dog, you might pair that with doing an herbal supplement and even some medications. I think the combination therapy can help them. If you would like any help from our staff or doctors for your pet's specific situation, please do not hesitate to call us at 210-697-8581. Thanks and happy holidays.